Hello investors, welcome to the channel. My name is Mike. I'm an average investor sharing my investment journey on the internet. In today's video, we have a lot to get through, so let's get started. First thing I want to discuss is my monthly net worth spreadsheet over here. In this spreadsheet, I've been calculating my net worth ever since September 2020. In September 2020, you can tell that I have $127,000 invested. This September, I hit a new time high, so my new portfolio value, which is between four accounts. I own my 401k, my Roth, my Robinhood account, and my Fidelity account. So that portfolio value is $275,485.28, which would be a new all-time high. I don't want to show this value, brag, or anything like that. What I want to do is I want to motivate you guys that it's taken me 3 years to get to this point to have this much money between all my different portfolios and investment strategies to invest and start investing as soon as possible. Just to go through all the different accounts, I'm going to go through my Fidelity account. In this Fidelity account, you can see $162,345.13. Predominantly only own Tesla stock in this one. My main idea for this portfolio is if you look through what the greatest investors did is they would have concentrated positions and invest in their highest quality companies. And that is what I'm gearing towards in this Fidelity account. Same thing with this Robinhood account. I predominantly invest in Palantir over here. This portfolio value is $27,306.43. My next account is my Roth IRA, which is, I call it my passive income account, and this is for my dividend investing. That portfolio value is $22,661.07. The idea here is to invest for income and not necessarily appreciation. I do want to get both. And then my last account is my 401k. Total portfolio value $63,268.17. So now going to my beautiful spreadsheet that I created, I'm just going to readjust these values to what they are currently today so they can reflect that $275,000. So in my 401k, $63,268.17. In my M1 Finance, my portfolio value decreased to $22,661.07. Tesla right here is what really blew up. So instead of $142,000, I'm at $162,345.13. And what's interesting is I invest Tesla and Palantir stocks are very volatile, and a lot of people cannot handle the volatility. Palantir account is $27,210.91. Option stuff here is the same. Everything is updated here, and both of these should reflect this price right here. The plan here is, if you notice that this is in my concentrated position, and then my dividend investing and my 401k investing is in my diversified. Key here is I don't start putting money in any of this until I'm maxing my 401k, which happens with every single paycheck that I get, and then maxing my Roth IRA. Once my Roth IRA is maxed, then I put money into my brokerage account. And you can tell on my rules over here on the side that when paid, place funds in concentrated portfolio after Roth funded. Priority is to fund my Roth because that is a tax advantage account, and then to put money into my brokerage account. When Warren Buffett started investing, he started investing in concentrated positions in a small number of stocks. I've been mimicking my strategy to what he was doing. And then obviously once I hit the value that I want to hit, then I will diversify into different stocks and different strategies and even different asset classes. I look into this account. If you look at all these different things, this is my option income every 2 weeks. This earlier portion over here, I wasn't reaping a lot of option income because the strike price is a lot further than what the price was, so I wasn't milking that much in premium. Now, since it's getting closer and closer to the strike price, I'm harvest more and more premium. My total for the last 2 weeks of premium will be this number right here. If I added all of these together, the total profit on that is $1,393. Since these are all inflows, there are no outflows. One of the key takeaways from looking through this section is you got to get your money up. One of the most important things, it's really hard to invest when you're not really dropping any money. Me and my fiance put all our bills on a credit card, and every 2 weeks we pay that credit card off. We put money into our savings fund, a very small portion, and the rest of it we invest in. We want to retire early, and you cannot retire early if you are not investing your money. The premiums that I'm acquiring from these are very far out of the money. My goal here is not necessarily to make a lot in premium. What I want to do is I want to get paid holding on to the stock. Don't want to sell my stocks. I just want to get a little bit of extra money. If I can squeeze out 1% or 2% every single year to help my overall return. I'm not looking to make big money on this. Where over here, I'm going to be selling in the money. This, I'm trying to milk premium. This, I'm trying to get something just for holding on to the stock. If you add up all this income from this, the total inflows into all of these accounts, $4,087.39. So this is from my job and from the premiums over here. For dividend income, ever since I started tracking it on this day, that would be $131. $1.55. What's incredible, I maxed out the Roth IRA over here, and this is the amount of income I got for this period of time, which is pretty impressive for doing absolutely nothing besides picking quality companies that pay dividend. And the final thing is just the inflows from my job. This is how much money I am putting away in my 401k since the 30th of July. This is it. Just want to show you guys what the financial situation was. I showed you all of my investments. What are my key takeaways here? So I've been investing for the last 3 years. What I want to get across to you guys is like newer investors or even some like the more seasoned investors is that like it takes time. Everyone wants to hit their number, like their retirement number, or make it rich quick. And the most important thing that I can discuss or stress is that it's going to take time and you have to trust the process. You got to get your money up. You got to make great choices. The reason you are not where you are is because you're not making great choices. A lot of people are allowing their emotions make decisions and not using prefrontal cortex. We have to use our brains. We cannot be using emotions when we are investing. First takeaway is just make sure you trust the process, and it's going to take time. Building off of that first takeaway is let your money compound. If you buy, sell, buy back in, sell, move your different positions around, you're not allowing that money to compound. You have to pick a company that has a high growth potential, has multiple catalysts, multiple revenue streams that they will be producing in the future, and following huge macro trends that are happening. Those are the companies you want to be investing in, and you have to allow those companies to compound. Sometimes the stock price is not reflective of what is actually happening in the company, so you have to make sure that you're using your brain, like I was telling you, and not emotions, and you have to allow your money to compound. If you guys liked the video, definitely like and subscribe. Every single month I do want to make a monthly net worth update, so hopefully keep motivate you guys to keep pushing forward. And I'm going to be showing these videos whether I'm up or down, so just stay tuned. Like I said, like the video if you liked it, and subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching.